Welcome to PPC Ad Editor tutorial. Do you need more space to manage clients or campaigns? PPC Ad Editor makes it easy to buy extra dashboards with just a few clicks. Click on Upgrade options in the navigation bar. Select Add Dashboard from the drop-down menu. A payment pop-up will appear. Click on Add Payment Method if you haven't made any previous purchases, otherwise, select Saved Payment Method. A green autofill link is powered by Stripe Link, a secure tool that lets you log in and autofill your saved payment info automatically. Enter the card number in the provided field. Fill in the expiration date for the card. Enter the code in the highlighted field. After entering your payment details, click the Pay button to proceed. The second method to purchase the dashboard is through Account Settings. Click on the profile icon at the top right. In the drop-down menu, select My Account. Go to the Manage Subscription tab. You can use the plus or minus buttons to choose how many dashboards you'd like to add. Click the Buy More button for dashboards. Enter the payment details as demonstrated earlier in the video. Click the Submit button in the Payment Details modal. Your newly purchased dashboards are immediately available and ready to use. In the navigation bar, click Back to Previews. Let me give you a quick overview of how to use the saved payment method to purchase the dashboard. Click on Upgrade options. In the Payment Method modal, choose Saved Payment Method. Select from the saved payment method to instantly buy from the already saved payment. Once payment is successful, your new dashboards are instantly available and ready to use. Extra dashboards help you separate projects, streamline collaboration, and stay in control.